Learn how to easily enable the mobile hotspot feature on your Windows 10 device in just a few simple steps. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of setting up your computer as a hotspot, allowing you to share your internet connection with other devices like smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Stay connected on the go by following our easy instructions to activate and customize your Windows 10 mobile hotspot. Open Settings. Go to Network and Internet. Mobile Hotspot. In the left sidebar, click on Mobile Hotspot. Toggle on. You'll see an option to share my internet connection with other devices. Toggle the switch to turn on the mobile hotspot. Configure. You can click on Edit to configure the hotspot settings, such as the network name, SSID, and password. Remember, your computer must have an active internet connection to share via the hotspot, and some PCs might need a compatible Wi-Fi adapter to enable this feature. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.